Okay, I'm starting out with these really cute little picture frames I got from the Target dollar spot. It came in a 2-pack with this buffalo check and this autumn leaves and pumpkins please. I'm going to use both of them in this DIY, but I'm going to start out with this buffalo check one and then this adorable little ornament that I got from the Dollar General. This ornament was $1, and so total this, I think the frames together were $3 for both, and so this is $2.50 to make this beautiful little Christmas DIY. Okay, I'm gonna start with these little galvanized metal words that you could get from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use joy, and then I'm gonna use my Waverly chalk paint in red. And I'm just gonna paint my word joy with the chalk paint, with about 2 coats of the chalk paint. Then I'm going to take back out this autumn leaves and pumpkins please that I got from the Target dollar spot. It came with the buffalo check one. And I'm just going to paint over the text with Waverly white chalk paint. Now all my paint I had on hand. If you don't have it, I got it at Walmart. And so I'm just going to paint over this text, and it took me about 3 coats to really cover it. And I went ahead and painted all the way to the edges just so that it looked uniform all the way through. Okay, now I'm going to take my Waverly chalk paint in Truffle. This is a dark brown color, and I'm going to take a dry brush and I'm just going to dry brush some of this on to sort of make it look rustic. This is a great way to make it look weathered and sort of like the paint is chipping off. Okay, next I'm going to take my joy that I painted red and I'm going to hot glue it to my picture frame, and this is the easy part. This burlap ribbon with the holly leaves and berries on it I got from Dollar Tree for $1, and I'm just going to take it and loop it around twice so that it makes a bow. This one is not going to have any tails because I don't want it to hang down into the joy, but I'm just going to cut it here, and then I'm going to wrap a piece of jute twine around it to make it a little bow, and then I'm just going to glue it onto my frame. Okay, for my next DIY, I took this small tinsel tree and just removed the tinsel. This is a tree from the Dollar Tree. It was just $1, and I was left with just this little frame. And then I found a blanket. This is sort of like a felt blanket or flannel type of blanket from the baby section. I loved this buffalo check type of print, and I just laid it out flat, and then I wrapped it around the tree. Very simple. I kind of got out of frame here, sorry about that. But I just wrapped it around and then shoved the rest of it inside the tree. It was very simple to make. And then I just hot glued the sides together. Now I love this because you can also use any type of fabric you have. They have black and white buffalo check scarves there made out of this felt material. They also have them in like a looser material. So you could use anything you have, any kind of fabric you have would be great for this project. And I've seen these for very expensive at like Hobby Lobby and Big Lots and things like that. Trees like this, fabric covered trees, for really expensive. Okay, next I took this ribbon, which was from the Dollar General, and I just made a quick little bow out of it and tied a jute string around the center of it to make the bow, and then just hot glued that to the top of my tree. Then I took the greenery off of this bell, also from the Dollar Tree. I love this little greenery. It has some pine cones on it, and I just hot glued that over the center of the ribbon. I loved the way this looked, and I thought it turned out so beautiful. And here are my DIYs. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a few more Christmas DIYs coming out this week, and I can't wait to share those with you guys. So I will see you in the next one.